Thank you. For pulling me back.
As you pulled me back first.
Whatever it was he did to you. And whatever it was you did. Be free of it.
I never believed I could be. Until today. Fighting at your side, I felt if I could just hold on to that feeling, keep it with me always, bind it to my very being, then
I felt it too.
Lord Halbrand.